Hello, learning coaches. I'd like to show you how to use your student's journal. After you've saved your student's journal and you've shared a link with me, you're then going to go to that first page. We want to personalize it, so I'm going to click on the words, your name, and you can see a box pops up with a blinking line. I can then edit the words, and I'm going to write Mrs. J's September Journal. So that is now my first page. Your second page has some directions for you. If you do not know how to use a graphic organizer, make sure you do listen to the recording from the email. I then can go to my journal topics. I see that my journal topic here is what is your favorite food and why is it your favorite? So this is what your child will write about. We do have some directions on the screen. To write up on the screen, you're going to go up here to your toolbar and you're going to look for the word insert. I'm going to click on insert. Then you're going to look for the word text box. I'm going to click on text box. You can see that my line has changed. I have a vertical line with a horizontal line going through the bottom. I can then draw a box up on my screen. I'm going to just draw the box kind of big. It doesn't matter how big you draw it. It will shrink to the right size. There we go. I've typed Mrs. Day. And I can click anywhere on the screen and you can see that box disappeared from around it. But let's say I accidentally typed through the line. I can click on that box and I can move it around. So I can raise it, lower it. I can also change the size of my font. So maybe I'm writing teeny tiny. I want something really, really big. I can do that as well. I'm also going to put in a text box for the date. So I'm going to type the date in. Make sure you always put the date so I know that when your child worked on that particular journal page. Now I'm ready to begin my journal. In this circle, you're going to write what your favorite food is. We have the directions here. So what is your favorite food? I'm going to type that my favorite food is pizza. And again, you can put it anywhere in the circle. If you don't like where it is, they can change it. They can change the color of their font. So maybe they want it to be red, orange, yellow, blue, green. We can change the color of the font. This is their journal. Let them express themselves. And it can be with color. It can be with the font. It can be with the size of the font. So let's say I want to make pizza really big. I can drag my box so it fits on that line there. Oops. Over here, write why it is your favorite on the line. So now I'm going to give a reason why pizza is my favorite. Again, I'm going to insert a text box. Then when I'm ready, I'll come down here and I will type. So again, insert a text box. You can draw a large text box and you can begin typing. And then when they hit enter, I'll go down to the next line. You don't have to draw a text box for each line. You may have to shift the text box around. You can increase the font. Depending on which font they've chosen, it will sit on the line. So this particular font, if I choose 24, it will sit on the line. Okay. And don't forget to press save. Once you have saved, I can see what they have done, what they have written in their journal. Please let me know if you have any questions.